Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I get gel nails at home. So the first thing you're going to need first of all is a top coat, a base coat, a colour and a UV lamp. So as you can see, here are my horrible nails at the moment. I've recently had acrylics on and I've decided to take them off and just do a few gel nails lately. Because I've always been wearing false nails for so long and I just need a bit of a break. So I like to use this base coat. And all you want to do is I start off with my 4 fingers and then I'll do my thumb. So you just paint very carefully a very thin layer of this varnish over your nails. So once you've done that, you want to press the button at the top of the UV lamp and stick your nails underneath and wait for the lamp to go off. So next what you want to do is use a colour. So I've gone for this pinky nude colour and it's the number 6. And I'm just going to paint over, again, a neat thin layer of this onto my nails. And you want 3 coats of this. So you want to paint it and then stick them under the UV lamp and then paint it again, lamp, paint it again, lamp. So now you want to do the thumb. So again, just your base coat, stick it under the lamp, and then 3 coats of the nail varnish. Okay, so now you want to do a top coat. So I like to use this one, and this brand is called the Full Lion, and it's a soak off liquid. You want to make sure that it's a soak off one. And you just want to apply a thin layer across your nails again. And this just holds everything in place pretty much, and it sets everything. And that's it, you guys. It's so easy to do.